Hello and welcome back to another mind-blowing video on nails. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome once again to this amazing channel, a channel that go to covers for latest and trending nail designs and hairstyles. So if you love beautiful nails and you want to stay updated on latest nail trend, then this channel go to covered. Okay, so do want to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you don't get to miss our subscribe videos. Thank you so much as you join us. As always know, we bring amazing nails here. We bring most stylish and latest nails that will keep you elevated. So as you watch our videos, kindly do support us by liking and sharing to your loved ones. Thank you so much, my ladies. So guys, today's video is not an exception as we have carefully selected the most stylish and trending Halloween nails for my ladies. These are newest and top trending Halloween nail art designs that will blow your mind. Okay, so please watch from beginning to the end. I'm sure when I see again and fall in love with the amazing nails that we have here. We are in Halloween season, and of course this season is not complete without you making a very nice manicure. So guys, we have a lot of beautiful Halloween nail art designs here that will definitely elevate your look this season. So watch and select your most loved ones. Okay, select your favorites. Don't forget we have it in different colors, different nail shapes, different nail art designs. So as you watch, select your most loved ones and share to your family and friends so they can also be part of this video. Thank you so much, my ladies. Remember to like, comment and share. Just tell us, will you be trying any of these nails? Let us know in the comment section. See you guys, my ladies. Bye.